I'm Stella. What do you do to keep you healthy? Just stay home and protect yourself from virus? They may sound okay, but sometimes you need some extra measures to keep you healthy. I think homemade tea is one of them. And I'm going to introduce one of my favorite, balloon flower tea. Balloon flower is a purple-colored flower which blooms at July, and root of it has medicinal effect. It helps to cure a respiratory disease, so I think it is the right time to introduce this recipe to everybody. So if you're ready, let's get started. First thing you have to do is buy a glass jar in a store and disinfect them by boiling them in hot water for 20 minutes. Make sure to reverse them. Afterwards, take them out using a dishcloth. Turn off the heat and put a lid inside. Leave them for 2 minutes. Take them out using a tweezer. Slice 400 grams of balloon flour. Put 40 grams of sugar inside and mix them using a rubber spatula. Leave them for 20 minutes. Put them in a jar. Put 840 grams of honey inside. If 80% of your jar is full, it is finished. Close the lid and store them for a week. If you are a kind of person who doesn't like balloon flower root floating on your cup, you can just grind them. Slice 250 grams of balloon flower root. Put 5 spoons of oligosaccharide. And grind them using a food processor. Put 250 grams of honey in a bowl and mix them all together. Put them in a jar. Put extra 10 grams of honey on top. Close the lid and also store them for a week. After a week, it is exactly looks like this. You can see the balloon flower root is floating on top. When you take a look inside, you can see that it becomes watery. Then put several spoons of it in a cup and mix them with hot water. Sweet honey inside mitigates the bitter taste of balloon flower root. And I feel like I'm getting healthier. Thank you for watching today's video and hope you make this while you're staying home all day. And make sure to subscribe my channel for more useful recipes at home. See you in the next video.